Welcome to the beautiful fall months here in Utah. I feel like I'm in some sort of like fairy tale land with all of this beautiful colors. Oh my gosh. Sometimes the fall here comes and goes really quickly, but this year it's just been hanging on and I am here for it. So I have my binoculars. Oh, berries. I'm just driving along this scenic drive to just look at all the beautiful leaves, and I wanted to stop at this overlook and find a good spot to sort of look at the mountains back here behind me around this patch of trees. There's just, you can see so much, and so I want to sit with my binoculars for a little bit and be quiet and just look for animals, see what I can find. Wish I could pull you in here. Good afternoon. It is raining. Can you hear that? So I'm out for a short little hike, going through the aspens right now, and they are all over the ground. It's like a path of yellow before me. Like, look at this. Yeah, I'm just trying to get one little hike in before it gets cold. So it's supposed to get cold the next couple days, and there's already snow on the tips of the mountains. So I think that the leaves are gonna probably fall pretty soon. This might be the last little day of fall. Love it. Wow, so beautiful. Hello. I am so excited to be here. I am in the desert down in Kodachrome Basin State Park in Utah. I got a state park pass this year and it expires in January. So I'm trying to get in a few more parks, but look at this campsite. I just arrived and I'm doing a little solo trip down to the desert for a few days. Nick had to work this week, so I am just gonna enjoy a little fresh air. It is beautiful. No wind, not too cold, whereas up in the city and in the mountains, the snow has arrived. My plan for the day is to set up camp. I want to just get my tent all set up and organized so I can relax at camp. I have a few Dutch oven recipes that I'm going to test and photograph while I'm here. And then if I have time, go for a hike. But I just want to kind of keep it casual, just relax, read my book. I feel like I really need that. I have set up camp, made some lunch, and now I am out for a little afternoon hike, about 1.5 miles. So nice and short, but be good to get some exercise and just, I want all the sun before the winter gets here. So I'm just gonna hike, have my camera, take some cool photos, and just enjoy the afternoon. I definitely think this fall I hiked and camped a bit less than in years past. And it's because I am working on a very, very big and exciting project, which I can't tell you about while I'm hiking. How incredible is the desert? I mean, those who contemplate the beauty of the earth find reserves of strength that will endure as long as life lasts. I love that. That's on one of the signs on this little nature walk that I'm on now. I just got back to the car, but I thought I'd do this one as well. It's only 1/2 mile. I am back at camp and going to actually photograph and test some recipes for the rest of the day. Dang it, how long has this been there? This is by far one of my favorite things that I get to do outdoors is cook and photograph the recipes, and just the whole development process is something that I really love, and I've been doing tons of Dutch oven recipes lately for a bigger project, which I will tell you about soon. But that's what I'm gonna do this afternoon. I have 3 of them that are ready to be tested outdoors and photographed. So we'll see. I don't know if I'll get to all 3 of them, but yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. And I am so excited. It's just like the ultimate relaxation for me, honestly, is just cooking and baking and being outdoors. It's good. I am up. It got cold last night. Ugh. The view though.
I've heard a story, I've heard it said, I've come to believe that love is a bet. Sometimes you win and sometimes you lose, and sometimes it calls you right in the mood. Come to my table, come to my bed, go easy my hunger, easy my head, bringing me fire, bringing me water, taking me high, taking me down. Give me your pretty, give me your messy, give me your happy, give me your sad. I may be staying, I may be going, I may be left, I may fall apart. Come to my table, come to my bed, go easy my hunger, easy my head, bringing me fire, bringing me water, taking me high.
So I packed up that camp. I was gonna stay another night, but someone has reserved that spot all week. So I just packed things up and now I am driving around the park looking at all the cool things. And then I think I'm gonna just spend the afternoon hiking. So I think this is where I will leave you for this video because it's super, super windy outside right now. So I do wanna mention, I said yesterday, I've been working on a big project. So I wanna just quickly tell you about that. It is a Dutch oven course all about how to cook with your Dutch oven outdoors. This is something that I've wanted to do for a long time. It's just sort of always felt like it was something I would do later in the future, or just, I don't know, but something switched for me, clicked for me, and I was just like, I'm gonna do this now. And this project seriously has electrified me. I love what I get to do for work. I don't take it for granted. I'm so grateful, but something about this Dutch oven course has just electrified me and excited me in a whole new way. So I am just excited for you guys to see that, but it won't be coming out until this springtime. But I'd say I probably camped and hiked less this fall than I normally do because I've been working on that project. So I filmed, I think 12 videos at this point. I have 1 more to film and then 1 to reshoot. I've had to reshoot, that will be the 3rd one, which is super frustrating, but also not particularly uncommon. I would like to say that I don't have to reshoot very often, but sometimes it is just hard to film outdoors. There are so many things that I can't really control that I have to sort of work around. Wind obviously is a big one, noise from nearby roads, noise from nearby people, The sun is actually a huge factor, like where the sun is relative to where I want to shoot, how the sun is moving through the duration of the shoot. So it's just like a lot of stuff, and I just don't always get it right. But Nick has been helping me film this course, and it's going to be really, really good. So that's taken up a ton of my time and energy, outlining all of those videos, and then of course filming them. It's just a huge project because I don't read off of a teleprompter or a script or anything like that, but I do pretty extensively for these instructional videos outline what I want to say, how I want to say it, the order I want to say it, so that when I do talk in front of the camera, it flows really nicely and it makes sense, and it's just easy to understand. So there was a ton of time that went into kind of even just getting to the point where I was filming. And then along with the course, there's of course going to be tons of Dutch oven recipes. And so I've been developing, testing, and photographing all of those as well. So this project has been huge, but really, really exciting. And so now things are slowly sort of moving into the editing phase, which I'll work on throughout the winter. That's what I've been up to. And I'm really, really excited for you guys to see it later, or I guess early 2022. I would say. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for being here, and I will see you in the next one.